We are going to enjoy these lovely tomatoes with stir-fried beef in oyster sauce. It is very simple and quick to prepare. My father loved this dish, a mixture of Chinese and Vietnamese cuisine. He enjoyed wrapping in a salad leaf, tomato, onion, and a piece of beef, all dipped in a spring roll sauce. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by marinating the beef. Cut it into thin slices of about 5 millimeters. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, one tablespoon of dark soy sauce, some ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or tapioca starch. Mix well. Then let rest while preparing the other ingredients. Mince 5 grams of spring onion, an onion, chop 5 cloves of garlic, put on a large plate, a salad leaves, the onion, the tomatoes cut into slices, Now we can start cooking the beef. Mix the marinated beef to detach the pieces from each other. Preheat a pan over high heat. When it is hot, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Stir, and when it starts to be golden, put the beef. Spread the pieces well and let them grill for 1 minute. Flip them over and leave them for 30 seconds. Stir for 1 more minute. Cut the fire. Put them on the salad leaves. Sprinkle with the spring onion. serve a spring roll sauce in a bowl for each guest. Bon appétit! The cooking should be very brief and over a very high heat. Each piece of meat is dark grilled on the outside, while juicy and tender. The stir-fried beef in oyster sauce is melting. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.